2025 is just around the corner, and it's the year you could finally achieve financial freedom. The good news? You don't need a degree in finance or $1 million inheritance to make it happen. What you do need is to understand and apply one simple rule. But before we dive into that, let me ask you, are you ready to take control of your future? If your answer is yes, let's get started. 1. Building curiosity. Imagine this. Thousands of people, just like you, have turned their lives around simply by adopting this one strategy. They've paid off debts, started businesses, and grown their investments, all thanks to this rule. And the best part? It's so straightforward that anyone can follow it. 2. Reveal the rule. Here it is, the 70-30 rule. This rule is all about how you manage and allocate your income. It works like this. Every dollar you earn gets divided into two major categories. 70% for living expenses and lifestyle. This includes your rent, groceries, transportation, entertainment, basically, everything you need to live comfortably. 30% for financial growth. This is the magic category. You'll split this into three parts. 10% for investments, like stocks, index funds, or real estate. 10% for savings, your safety net for emergencies. 10% for personal development, courses, books, or anything that increases your skills and earning potential. This rule forces you to live within your means while prioritizing growth and security. 3. Why it works. The 70-30 rule works because it's balanced and sustainable. It doesn't demand extreme sacrifices, and it ensures you're investing in your future every single month. Thousands of people have followed this rule and seen incredible results. Why? Because consistency beats intensity. Small, smart decisions over time lead to massive results. 4. How to start today. Now, let's get practical. Here's how you can start using the 70-30 rule today. Calculate your income. Write down your monthly earnings. Divide it. Allocate 70% to living expenses and 30% to financial growth. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers so you don't even have to think about it. Track your progress. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to monitor your spending and growth. It's that simple. Don't overcomplicate it. The sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. 5. Inspiring call to action. You have a choice to make right now. You can keep doing what you've always done and get the same results, or you can take this first step towards financial freedom. Remember, wealth isn't about luck, it's about strategy. And now you have the strategy. Are you ready to change your life? If you're serious about this, drop a comment below saying, "I'm in." And let's start this journey together. This is your year, your time. Let's make 2025 the year you become the success story you've always dreamed of. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and stay unstoppable.